I say Baja, you say Baja, it really touched me in a Baja, because I feel it, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know if nobody know, never gonna know. I feel it. It's a mess I'm having. And everybody know me stay in that community.
Yeah.
It's a Joe where I live, you see?
Joe.
And can't walk a certain place.
Yeah.
I don't know that.
Yeah.
And me's a loving you in that community.
Yeah.
True.
And you see what go on, it hurt me.
Sure.
When we left from here, so more sound with that emote, I have to go my bed.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
We have international Rasta Jackson in the place.
United we stand, and divided we fall. And if our battle ever be against the wall, we live together forever. Oh, united we stand, and divided we fall. And if our battle ever be against the wall, we live together forever, you and I.
Yes. Yeah.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Already know, so we are gonna say dream team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
Yeah, that sound like say it one going to the studio.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do it again and vibes up the place. Yeah. So we're gonna say dream team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
Alright, so we're there once more. 2021. Where the journey still begun. So right now we in our office space. I go and make the view of them, so I go on. But there's a lot of viewers and a lot of donors, sorry, still concerned about our safety with what go on at the community. Because you don't know, pray for health and strength and guidance for every day. But the donors them just want to be assured and know so we're all alright and everything. Yeah, so they say me I try to put out the work. No matter what I go on in the community, I try our best. But we know say it well, it affect everyone, each and everyone in the team. So you don't know still if you try to do the work same way. Because if we don't do it, we know that the people are going to feel it same way. And we try our best to try to come out, even though we are going on in the community with the violence and everything, we still make an effort to push out same way. Because if the violence make us stop, the people are going to feel it. You understand? And we can't afford to make this make us stop the good work we are doing. So we are trying to do the positive to see if we can overshadow the negative. So I know say everybody have a concern about what going on. And the donors them that love for one know how we feel, how we are go through same way, because we are human beings, you know, and we all have family. You see me? So them are concerned for safety, because not like say we are insured for this thing or we are do, or we are work at a company or we are get paid for this thing. While over there we are take risk. You see me? I say so we do our go on. Obviously we're not happy. But we have to try our best, we have to try to push our CMA for the people they need. So we are trying to force out the positive same way in the community, despite the negative. Yeah, so if you don't feel that way, man, you can make the donors them know so not alright, but still, we would like to see some changes what are going on in the community CMA, so everybody can come together, you know, and make this thing with peace and love. Because this is what we need now, the peace and love. Because the people them need it. You see me, I say we need the unity. Because unity we can make a change, same way. But with the negative, it's a lot of distraction. Because my phone will stop ringing every time from a donor or a viewer say, yo, when you're alright, we see what go on YouTube, we see it on the news and everything. And we even see a picture with liquor and era come out of the car when they have to do the TVJ on 2nd Street. So meanwhile the violence we still at work same way. So if you show how much you're passionate about what we're doing. You see me? So it's never easy. We get up out of our bed and know say, yo, we don't know what can happen. You see me? So they take a huge risk right now for just make people can feel at ease and more comfortable. So if we don't have anything for say, man, about what go on, because as I would say, we want the peace in the place, I want the unity, because what go on, it affects we. But we still have to try our best to push out the same way. You understand, Jella? You understand, Ali? Marvin, Lady, you have Boomia, you have Painter, you have Barger, you see me, you have Carl, you have Liquor, you have Boy, the Wow Chef, you have Wormy up there, so you have Talpi, Coxman, you have Aaron, Joe. So the world have been affected by what go and see me. But we still have to put a brave face on see me and a brave heart and try to get rid of the fear. To try to do the work same way. You see me, and we don't really like what go on. Because the world want to see the changes. You see me and say, what heart a cry, man. You see me and say, what heart a cry with what go on. You see me, so yeah. We need yeah, go on, Carl.
See right now, we are a dream team, we are trying to do this. We want to shout out to the community. We're looking at ourselves, each and every one of us. You see it? You don't take no one person to build this community.
No.
Get me? We need all and old. Young, old, middle age, come on. It affects every one of us.
Yeah.
Why we are still aside and make it up? Continue, year after year. We need to change this.
Yeah.
Likewise, what we are doing as a good life.
Yeah.
We have shown to the people them, please, looking on yourself, stop being a victim to the system and I go on like everything good.
When it's
Think
not.
of good people. Come on, wake up, man.
Yeah, man. True, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. It's well said, man. The Baja, it's well said.
As I say, just we endorse power cars and take it a little bit further. It's really hurting if you know, say, each and every day we push out. That is not that it is a pain job for us, but to make the sacrifice.
Yeah.
In order to come out, we have our needs and wants, but we put it aside just to uplift other people in a less condition than us.
Yeah.
So come out and I try to build and make a change in people's life. But at the same time, you have the negative force who are trying to bring down the community and mash it up instead of building it. Those kind of things need to stop. The youth them need to sit down and looking at themselves and know say TrenchTown dey on the international map where people recognize and acknowledge it. They never recognize and acknowledge TrenchTown because of war and crime and the violence. They recognize us because of the music and what into us.
Yeah.
Heal the nation through music.
And it's not only it's not only
yes, Zimbabwe and all these places, Zimbabwe and all these places, we liberate them with music from Bob Marley. You understand? So people know us because of the music. And now they might hear this negative side. It's not good, brother.
Because it's not only music, you know. You see me? Because a lot of great things see me come out of TrenchTown. You know, cricket and football. Doctor and nurse, teacher, you know. And you have student, you see me, I say, very intelligent student will make it out far in a TrenchTown, see me. I say, there's a lot of things see me there in here. And you have the younger generation, them want to come up right now where them have a lot of potential. But we can't make sure we are going now, them can't do certain things and it kind of stop them from making a further future for themselves.
That is the thing we are talking about now. So if you don't have good people ahead for guide youth and lead them in the right direction and make them know that this is the right way to go with them negative force and all. Because all the war and things where man come and shoot through them. A youth them grow together. All of them are family. It's not say you are strangers. And if you live inside a community, you understand? And you now support for the betterment and the upliftment of the community. Because listen, the people that we are doing all of this on fire shot on each side, you know, they are the minority. Majority of the people them want good and want the best for the community. And the minority are trying to mash it down and bring it down. Listen, we're not bashing right now, but all I want to sit, I want to know myself. It take you right now to make a change. Because what you do right now, you know say it's not right. Because you can't live amongst the people and at the same time and the same people and flesh you feed. What kind of energy?
True man, true man.
Do all of that. What I got? You're going to stand in.
Yeah man, true man.
So you need to understand that, brother, and know yourself, brother. I know someone that want to come on the corner more time and want to dress up and look good. Reason with some people, but at the end of the day, because of your involvement and you have push bad energy, you have to hide in your house. You have to come out at night like zombie to feed off of the flesh of the community. That's not right, brother.
It's not right, man. True, man.
Police and soldier look for you. What kind of life is that? Life that, brother? When police and soldier look for you and the community look for you because of your negative energy where you have put out, brother. That now put money in your pocket. Because at the end of the day, all of you know, we have fired a shot and a carry a gun. You can't even find a meal. You know if you come and beg somebody where you go and try to put good in the community and go to the work. You know beg them a spit. You know beg them for food. Yeah, you can't buy me a food. You can't do that. The system of life now that, brother. But anything, a man and you in a little argument, the quickest thing for solve it are the gun. You know the reasoning ability. For reason out thing. You just feel like say the gun is your strength. And you use the gun to solve your problem. And at the end of the day where you sit down and your nerves calm, where do you start think back on the things where you do as a general? Police are looking for me, a prison this or a dead house. Whole community offer you, whole community are hating. Right now, brother, I tell you this, I understand this. If you notice, majority of the people in the best community, they must set up them little place to try to make them live better. Uplift themselves. And if you know go dead and I go on in the shake, you know where I go reach, you know. And you can't blame the body for it, but in yourself. People go and push now because you know negative post. Nobody now go build up them place and run left it.
No.
So them will get rid of you. So you don't need to understand yourself. But look at where. Try something. Be some entrepreneur, brother.
Sure.
You have other creative value in your way. You yourself do ever say. But put down the gun and stop. Use the gun to solve your problem.
Sure.
Because you have create an enemy. And the greatest enemy is you.
Yourself. Yeah.
Because you know no reasonability.
You know
the lack of education, brother.
No.
You open up your heart and your mind, body and soul to love, brother.
True.
Love starts with yourself. If you can't love yourself and appreciate yourself, you're not going to love nobody and appreciate nobody.
Not at all.
So self-love, brother.
True, man.
Look in the mirror and change your life, brother. Because right now, you know, run up and down, who run down, who run gone. And still they are hiding and them things there.
A life name of that.
A life that.
A life name of that.
Brother.
Yeah,
You
man.
can walk, but I remember days back when, you know, me used to walk from Denham Town, come a Rima, go a Rose Town. Right now, we don't reduce our own borders. We don't can't walk across West Road, we don't can't go First Street or Second Street or go over Rima. Who caused that? Uno. Uno, my brother. Uno need for change.
Sure, man.
Uno need for change, brother.
Well said, man. You see me? Well said, man. Come on, well said, man. You see me? Well said, man. Because as I say, man, who feels it knows it, you know. You see me? Who feels it knows it.
Today after a long while and to walk go on, you don't know what start the conflict still. So as my brother said, looking on yourself, seeking yourself, knowing yourself, finding yourself, then you're not going to reveal yourself. You get me? I say, and unity is strength.
In strength.
Respect.
Sure, man. Well done, man. Yeah, man.
When I say Baja, you say Baja, it really touch me in a Baja, cause me I feel it, you know.
Yeah.
You don't know if nobody know, Jella gonna know. I feel it. It's a mess I'm having. And everybody know me stay in that community.
Yeah.
It's a joke, you see?
Sure.
And can't walk a certain place.
Yeah.
I don't know that.
Yeah.
And me's a loving you in that community.
Yeah.
Sure.
And you see what go on, it hurt me.
Sure.
When we left from here, so most sound with that emote, I have to go on my bed.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
Based on which part me live.
Sure.
You see? And it hurt me so much to when you talk about that, it pain me how you talk. I feel it.
Yeah.
Knowing that when they start drink, I don't want to drink. Because I don't know
You're not happy.
how more I go breathe.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah. Come on, sir.
Because I feel it for my sister. You see? Because she want to target. You see what I'm having?
Yeah, yeah.
Everybody know me staying in the community.
Yeah.
He's a selector. He's a vibes youth.
Yeah.
And we can't walk a certain place. I start to feel myself now on a walk.
Yeah.
You see? It hurt me, you know, for see a friend and family and near and far somebody war against one another.
Yeah.
You see?
True.
A friend and family, and when you take it out and ask what the situation, nobody don't know.
Yeah.
Eh? So
True.
it touch me no Kino.
See,
When we leave
see.
from here so and take all my Ganzi, I make sure this Ganzi own place, I make sure place it. Anybody will run them house, I'm gonna see it.
Yeah, yeah.
Police, anybody run them house, I'm gonna see it, and I'm gonna pray God every day for the team. Every day I'm gonna pray.
Yeah, yeah.
Every day I'm gonna pray.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let fire, so I'm gonna pray. You see me I say?
True, man.
Each one teach one.
Teach one.
I used to say unity is strength.
Yeah.
You see me I say, Marvin?
Yeah.
And it hurt when I see the war I go on. When I like war,
Enough time, you know, say, Ali, for real. You're my brother. Come from a different mother, see him.
like
To when I hear them thing, I fret by you, know.
True, man.
You see?
I wish for me living on Marvin at death.
I know that, brother.
You see me I
Everything else
say?
I call you every minute. Make sure I call you, because we grow with love. And we grow in one of the hardest time when we know. You see, but we still find love. All of us will see there.
Yeah.
The fireman, them, the youngest man, them, we find the time to show them, say, we love them. I don't know why they use them don't use love again.
Yeah.
You see, because love is the word.
Universal.
Yeah, man. The way the word is big, you have to tell your woman say she love. You love
You
her.
love her, yeah.
If you not tell your woman say you love her, God, you
True.
have to find the love there.
True.
I mean, I talk to some of the women them in our community. Because them now no love. And some of them make the warrior go on to, you know. Sure.
Long time.
And just man alone.
Yeah.
Me I talk from my heart.
Yeah.
Because I'm a spiritual youth. You see now what me feel me talk. The woman them stop find the youth them with love.
Love. And promote.
You see? And promote it.
Yeah.
And who know promote violence.
Yeah.
You see? Because I can't just burn out a man. You get me? And who know to do no blah 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 blah.
Yeah.
And who know look at dirty thinking and go around there so.
Yeah.
The whisper and I use them.
Yeah.
Joe.
You know what kind of name, you know?
Joe.
Because me
Joe.
born and go in a Rima.
Yeah.
This a Rima blood. Me not go tell nobody kill him. Kill who? Who you fi kill? I don't know no one to kill. You get me? Because I love everyone.
True.
You understand? I love. You see, because we grow up violent, you know.
Like everyone around here, we're growing up. But love change you. Because people touch you and say, you know, so I love you. I'm hungry and people feed me, so I must have love. Eh?
Of course.
You have to have love, I love the way.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Well said, man. True, man. Love is the only solution, you know. You see me? Love is the only solution.
That's what we said. Electrician.
Electrician.
Work, you know, see sometimes one time to come out. You have to be afraid. I don't know when we can come out, you know.
Yeah.
Walk on Paris Smith Drive and go sell up on Spanish. So I love the man I'm done that for me. I'm in a 1 hour. Time 1 hour, man, go look at a girl. Get some you. No for 1 hour, girl then.
Yeah.
Find something responsible.
Yeah, man.
Occupy on time.
Yeah, man.
Time when I shoot a man, got it. You know, some youth need a campus.
Sure.
Want a feeling.
Sure. Sure.
No wholesale right down some man. That's it. To clear some container.
True.
Make life better. In the same time we have joy in our community. Everyone.
Nice.
From hard bow and forward.
Yeah.
Come full joy in our community.
True.
And mash it up. Joking. And joy we saying.
Yeah,
Some love.
Yeah, man. Well said, man. Well said. It's a beautiful thing to say, I'm not lie. You see me, and it's really touching from Ali point as well too, because we can see that Ali is a very emotional guy, you see me I say, and him feel it because him lack freedom. You see me, and in a nice when your freedom restricted. You see me I say, it's come like a prison when you're in a prison. So like some invisible bar there in front way, but we can't go certain place. Because you have to have fear for your life. Because then you have to think about your youth. Because you want to live for your youth, them can see the youth them future. You see me? We don't want to be a menace to the society. That's why we are trying to do the good, what we can do. You see me? And it's really touching. Because I know that every man have responsibility. And I think about them safety the same way. But to all still out here say me I try to do the best say me to make sure say we can push out the positive.
To me to every man at 5 o'clock I have to come out and make me stop it. I just make this run out. Because I say we can't come out 5 o'clock. And every man more than me and kill and go up. You see me? And I have to cut it off. Go and watch them look together. And go and I have to go out there go look buy my thing. I'm not run the risk and do them.
It affect everybody.
It affect everybody, man. You see me? It affect everybody.
You can't live with this man tell you. It affect me straight.
Painter.
Up to them boss. They are still, you know.
Yeah.
I love the vibes they are going, but they don't know. You see? So it's set, you see? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, because we all can make a change, you know. Because there's changes in life, you know. You see me I say?
What's that TrenchTown this, you know? Yeah, man, a bad man, we don't tell her, you know. Say, yo, the skip back, you know, them a forward, you know. Yeah, because I don't know my style, you know. Yeah, man, I do it proper,
Yeah.
We try everything, we born and go, we try everything, man. You try love the other. Love the real thing you can do.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, love the real thing.
Yeah, man, what you say, man? Because everyone away, born and grown in a place. So after years, this are gone. So there must be a time when it can be a change. You see me? It's like it's been going on for too long now. It's too long now. Where am I?
Everything I change up right now, but it's don't do that right now. I love and survive it, live. You can set the things, set the youth and place and everything. That's the life right now.
Yeah.
But it's not work, I get everything played out right now. I love and live, and make money, get youth. Yeah, them type of life. Happy life, joy. Yeah, they say they no more badness man. Youth and youth, no answer no youth are dead.
Yeah, true.
No, no, live and I see life.
Man, love your man.
All I know what I want, and I see it. You see it, so now I just live right and know youth and just make life by greatest. You see it?
Yeah, true. Yeah, man, well said, man. Wow, chef.
When I say, born and grown in the community. 53, I've been here and done that. I mean, I love this so hard, and I want peace reign with everybody. That's why they kill other family, that's why they kill other family.
when you have your son born, your son have to come see you do badness. You start think the badness, then things start. My father a bad man, I can't go do that. That no count for. Alright, so it Kino come. We'd love to see everybody was going to first street, go here, look ball with 3rd Street man, Federal man. We don't want that to come and come and run and come play ball, save we like everybody. So you see me I say, everything we just crash and done man.
Yeah, man.
One another see me, don't make the sense, it's not going to further, but you say, there are some people there, them love our funeral and the girl is love pray, and that them want. And it's not going to work right, you know, the corona make no funeral can go on. So all the people not have no people, them want to ask for the bag of money and they can't go funeral. That's not necessary, brother.
True, man.
Even when Kino they run a second street, all of them know in this thing. We don't know if soon people come, because one Kino we can come drive and lift up a shovel too. And the people them.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. True, man. You see, because over the years, it's still going. I mean, I have a feeling, say, people who have clothes, the most clothes that them have in them house is funeral clothes and funeral shoes. Yeah, that's not, you're not supposed to have so much of them clothes there, more than you're going on clothes. Every week, you want to have a funeral, and that make no sense, man. You see me, I say, it don't make no sense, man.
Watch the program to the community need to watch the program. People not community need to watch the program and see what I want.
Yeah.
This changes are going.
Yeah, in the community too.
Then I place and say, oh, changes, veggie. So you
and the world are watching in the
people over there in I place need to watch this.
Them need to watch negative
thing.
Sure.
Watch back a negative thing on one. I will
stop watch negative, man. Watch this, man.
Sister people get saved in our community, they watch them thing.
Yeah, for real.
Community.
Yeah. Well said, man. Wow, chef.
Spread the good.
Feel in my heart, you know, years it have gone, you know. We can't stop it, you know, so I can't know what we've done, you know. Want some big guys to come in from everyone.
We have
Yeah.
People there now come out and now do it.
That's why we are playing to them. Looking on themselves.
Come on.
Oh, you know what I go on, you know. Still go and see him with.
Decades.
Me here the juvenile.
That's the unity we need in the community. And them say unity is strength. So once you have the unity, whole heap of strength in a TrenchTown. So all you need people, unity, come together, love, we get the strength and build the community. Because we see TrenchTown, we love TrenchTown, and show the unity, man.
Yeah.
And
true.
The strength, man.
Eat the strength, man. Yeah, man.
You can say unity, man.
Unity, man. Well said, man. You see me, I say.
Just saying over Boys Town, you know. We always pass when we go down a culture yard and me show Kino the sign over Boys Town.
No, don't attack the person. Attack the problem, not the person.
Yeah.
You hear that?
And read the sign there. And the next sign the right at the Zozo they must say, we must learn to live together as brothers
and sisters.
Or you have a Persian school, them not read it. Them not learn. Them not learn to live together as brothers and sisters. You see me I say?
True.
What you say, no, Kino? Each one teach one, you know.
Yeah. Each one help one, see me.
Community. We there as a build. You see me I said, so the man for just looking at themselves and say, yo, come on. Yeah, you make John time over there, so you tell John time over there, so say, yo, this we done, you know.
Yeah.
And you know, we want in the community too. A football bring back love, you know. Football bring back love. I will not play no football in the community. Nah, play no football in the community.
Life team come out and play.
Yeah.
Enough ball. I really like every baller from everywhere come out.
Yeah.
Now I say when you come out, we can put up music, you know.
Yeah.
I hope I strength that.
Food that cook.
So, ball in the jungle, ball in the elbow. When you come out, man.
Come out, man. Come give you a match then, man.
Give you a match, man. Go play the good life.
Yeah, man. A good life you are dealing with, man.
Is that over the years and over the time, we always a march and we always a say peace.
Yeah.
And the man them with the gun still out there and hide it. And as a little thing come up, they ready to get back on the peace break. We're tired of peace. Tired of peace. Leave it to where I live. Tired of peace and peace, man. Peace if you don't. We don't support the cause. Peace.
Love and live it.
Bad energy for done, brother. We're selling the gun because we don't have no gun and we're still hungry, brother. Get rid of the gun, man. Yeah, man, do something with the life.
Yeah, man. Well said, Dream Team. I'm not lie, and listen me, very well said. One team. Dream Team. One team. Tell you, man, you see me, hero. Only living hero in TrenchTown. Yeah. You see me, risk feed one life to save another. You hear that? Him risk feed him one life to save another. You see me? It's a prime example of that. You see me? So
yeah. So each and every one of us inside a TrenchTown can be our brothers keepers.
Of course.
And if we can protect each other, then we won't have the negative things.
No.
So let's be our brother keeper.
True.
Each and every one of us.
Yeah, man. Well said, man. Give a round of applause, man. You see me? Clap for the community, man. You see me? Give a clap for the community, man. Cause need it for done. You see me? We need it for done, man. Always, because we have a slogan, you know. Our slogan always say it represents peace and love. Because when we say Dream Team, you see me, it's a lot of love we are represent there, so you see me. I would say one team. We are show unity again there, so you understand? So everything combined together, a peace and love. I would say Dream Team. One team. One team. Dream Team. You see me, we are represent. I want to start represent. You understand? Now we say TrenchTown because we born and grow in here. You see me, we are trying to make the changes. So with no further ado, we have international Rasta Jackson in the place.
United we stand, and divided we fall. And if our back should ever be against the wall, we live together forever. Oh, united we stand, and divided we fall. And if our back should ever be against the wall, we live together forever, you and I. Yes, Mr. Thompson, you're one that we don't MPM. Waiting for a hero, people need someone to look up to. Never find anyone who can feel the need. If I succeed, at least I live in order to believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity. Because the greatest love of all is happening to me.
Love, what's the love? Yeah. Yeah, my love.
The greatest love of all inside of me.
Yes, real Baja. Wow. Dream Team. Clean sheet. Baja singer, man. True Baja now want to give them 2 lines. Baja.
I see we can't give them everything.
Yeah. Baja save it. Why? You see me? Why? Yeah. Just so come. Big up yourself, MPM. He's a regular watcher. He's a regular viewer. Dream team. One team. Dream team. One team. Chill. Love yourself. To the world. All donors.
All I donuts, them pick up on themselves.
Yeah.
Yankee, big up yourself, sense feed.
Yeah. Big up the broskies them. Big up the broskies brothers them. Big up on yourself. All of London. All the donors them. Big up on yourself. Straight. Nah, man, active. Big up on yourself. See everything. Love Bay Station, big up on yourself. Yeah. Big up the Love Bay Station. Big up the Love Bay Station. #1 radio station. In Canada and in England. Big up the Love Bay Station. Oh, you see me? Dream Team Station. Yeah, man, setting waves across the ocean. See it there? Love Bay. You hear name? Love. So a Dream Team I promote? Love. You see me? So we say one love. Bob Marley say one love. Straight. But Dream Team, you have some donation for no? We're going to start out right about now. Yeah, so we have some donation. Yeah, we have some donation for the team. And this is from Faith from the UK. Faith Blessing, you know, big up Faith, Angela. So $2,000 each from Faith from the UK.
Love and respect Faith. Big up yourself, cheap.
Yeah. Pascal, come in.
Faith. We have faith in them. See me say faith, big up yourself, you know, may your food basket never empty, you know.
Yeah.
Blessings.
Yeah, Marvin, come in.
You don't know, I love to say that's a faith. We have to have faith for have love, you know.
Yeah.
See, blessing love.
Blessing love. Come in, Light Parks.
Faith, give thanks, you know. God bless you.
Yeah. And we have Boom, because you know Boom always the run we, you know. You see me, been walking with us for a long while now. You see me, it's more so.
Thanks, eh?
Yeah. So that's Boom. Give me a round of applause, because you've been walking with us. You see me, I say. A long time they run me. They run from the start. You see me, I say. Baja.
I'm saying if you have faith as much as a mustard seed, you can move mountain. Blessed love faith.
Blessed love. Painter.
Faith, enough love and respect, you know. May your food basket never empty, you know. One team.
Dream team. Spragger, I mean. Faith.
Faith, they are all the faith. Respect.
Respect. Come, liquor.
Faith, many thanks and many love. I saw your name Faith, I saw you all the faith in the Dream Team.
Yeah. Whoa. I mean, whoa, chef.
Chef in a sleep.
Yeah, man, faith, man. Member, man. FN, you know?
Yeah. Come in, Talpi.
Fear, what if I love enough fear? Straight love enough.
Straight from the UK.
Straight UK.
Yeah.
Sexy B, where me be?
Where me be?
Forward. 1B.
You know what going on faith, go and bless up in our love, you know. And thanks, you see it.
Yeah. Guidance. Come in, Coxman.
No. Young trade man.
It's a young trade man.
Faith, love and respect.
Anna.
One team.
Dream team. Kedan, electrician.
Yeah, give thanks, you know. Much love, you say, may your food basket.
Never empty. Alright. Hero.
Faith, more love, more respect, yeah? And big up the UK as well.
Yeah. Joe.
Well, Faith, I thank you for your grace and I thank you for your token love.
Yeah, so Bibi not there here and Lem not there here. So now Lem gonna spend some time with him family. So we're gonna put on them donation for Bibi and for Lem whenever them arrive back in the community. So we have to give thanks to Faith from the UK. Give a round of applause, Faith. Yeah, holy love. And so we also have another donation from Carl and Denise, who is a regular donor to the program. Pull them up.
Carl and Denise out here, Carl and Denise over there.
Yeah.
Look at it, Dream Team. You have a Carl and Denise out here, you have a Carl and Denise over there.
Yeah.
Powerful like that, eh?
Yeah.
Carl is right here and Denise.
Come in, Jella. 2,000 each from Carl and Denise.
Carl and Denise, all the thanks and love and respect. Straight.
Yeah.
One team.
Dream Team. Come in fast, car.
Carl and Denise, big up on yourself and may your food basket never empty. You know? May the Lord bless you and keep you, you know?
Yeah. Marvin.
Carl and Denise, I want to wherever saying love you know, blessed love you know.
Yeah.
Just keep the faith, blessings.
Come in, Light Parks.
Carl and Denise, thanks you know. And
Yeah.
keep up the good work you know. One team.
Yeah, Dream Team. Come in, boom.
Carl and Denise, blessed, thanks.
Yeah. Come in, Painter. Stop pick it toe.
Carl and Denise, big up you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Part of the good work, you see?
Sure.
Big up Carl and Denise.
Baja. Carl and
Love Carl and Denise. Well appreciate it.
from the US. Come in, Carl. Come in, Carl from Carl and Denise. Namesake.
Love in our namesake.
Yeah. Respect. Come in, Liquor.
Carl and Denise, many thanks. I open up our seat never empty. And big up Bibi for the team. Say me one thing.
Dream Team. Alright. Whoa, chef, come. Still asleep.
Much mess no comfortable, you know?
Yeah.
Whoa, you Carl and Denise, respect, yeah?
Respect. Come here, where me be? Sexy B, where me be?
No joke. Blessed love, you know, Carl and Denise. May the Most High bless you, know. Please.
Yeah. Talpi.
General. Carl and Denise, one for love, you know, beautiful love, you know, straight love.
Yeah. Come true. Coxman. Young Trademan, aka Young Trademan.
Carl and Denise,
Yeah.
enough love and respect. Anna. One team?
Dream Team. Let you shine.
Yeah, give thanks to Carl and Denise, you know.
Yeah.
Good Lord bless you, is it?
Yeah. Come in, Joe.
Carl, Denise.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Hero. Only living hero.
Carl and Denise,
Yeah.
love and more respect, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you for supporting us all the way. You understand?
Alright, so as I say, Baby is not here and Lem is not here. So them donation we put away. And so we give thanks to Carl and Denise from the US. A round of applause. Yeah, we give thanks. We also have another donation from Lady CC from Northampton, UK.
Lady CC, big up Lady CC.
So Lady CC from the Northampton, UK, which is England. So the people them locked down and still try them best for the Dream Team. So 1,000 each. Come Jella. 1,000 each from Lady CC.
Lady CC, what the love and thanks.
Yeah, give thanks. Basket.
Lady CC. Big up in the Lady CC. Your food basket never empty.
Yeah.
Lady CC, don't know how going in England, no blessed love, you know, let's keep safe. Love you, no blessings.
Yeah. Light Parks.
Thanks, you know, Lady CC, and blessed love.
Yeah. Come in, boom.
Bless Lady CC. Bless.
Yeah. Come, Bramwell. Painter.
Lady CC, blessed love and respect, you know.
Yeah. Baja. Lady CC.
Well appreciated, you know. I tell you, you know, more time I don't even funds, you know, but just start tight.
Start icons. Give thanks. Carl. From Lady CC.
CC. Enough love and enough respect.
Yeah. Liquor. From Lady CC.
Lady CC, many thanks and many love. And I want all of the donors just go and pray for the dream team. Because we are doing the same work, same.
Yeah. Whoa. Whoa, chef. Lady CC.
Lady CC. And only for respect, yeah?
Yeah.
Enough love.
Come in, same. Come in, alright. Where may be anyone? Come to RP.
Alright, no, I be my Lady CC, only for love, you know. Straight love, you know.
Straight love.
Sexy babe.
One B. Come in, sexy B, where may be? One B.
Blessed love, you know. CC, give thanks, you know, protection, guidance.
Yeah, Coxman. Young trade man.
Lady CC, honor you.
Kedan, Letishan.
Yeah, Lady CC. You have a mother nickname, and a big up. Blessed.
Yeah.
Lady CC.
Yeah.
I'm big up the UK as well.
Yeah. Joe.
United Kingdom, the love I come from, respect.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, so that's from Lady CC from Northampton. So as I say, Bibi and Lem is not here. So we're gonna put away for them donations. So we give thanks to Lady CC. Yeah man, from Northampton. Carl and Dennis, big up. Where they drink there? Come in, Bramwell, come in, Baja. You see me? And this is from. So how do you represent now? Alright, so this is from Carl and Dennis from the US.
Carl and Dennis, big up, you know. Only for love and respect and make food box. Never empty. One team, dream team.
Ali.
Carl and Dennis. You go put yourself in it. You see me I say? You see me I say? Love the drink, you know. You see me I say? You want the food basket never empty. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious unto you.
Yeah.
More love.
More love. Give thanks. So we give thanks to all our donors them. Big up yourself, Carl and Dennis. Yeah, big up yourself, Lady CC. Big up yourself, Faith. And all the donors them. Blessed Lord. Yeah man, so we say one team. Dream team. One team. That one that's so unreal. Yeah, that's a real team, you know. And we are, what's the BS? Alright, one team. Dream team. One team. Yeah man, that's so unreal. It's a hit man. That's a big up love base station every time, you know what you think though? Our station. Yeah man, one.
He said big up the love base station.
Whoa.
Big up the love base station.
Whoa.
Where the station come from?
Okay, Canada. Shit. Whoa.
One station, you know?
Yeah.
Love beer.
Love beer.
Big up.
FM station, big up, you know. TVJ.
Big up.
Yeah.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.